Hello children, welcome to maths class. We are going to learn question number 7 from exercise 13.1. The question is little long, so I am not showing you here on the blackboard. You please refer your textbook. The question is here, Shanti Sweets stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of box were required. So, let us see question number 7. First of all, two sizes of box were required. Remember, this is an order for making sweets, boxes for sweets. The bigger of dimensions, so let us write down that also. The bigger box of dimensions, that dimensions are 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter into 5 centimeter, and the smaller of dimension 15 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 5 centimeter. So, let us see the dimensions of the bigger one. Length 25 centimeter, breadth is 20 and height is 5 centimeter. Again, the smaller box also has dimension. Then let us see question is what. Next says, for all the overlaps 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. That means, we have to make 250 bigger size box, 250 smaller size box. But condition is what, whenever we are making box or anything, some portion of cardboard or whatever sheet we are using goes in overlap. Overlap means side folding, corner, edge, all that things. So, 5% extra we need of total surface area. The question is clearly telling that find the total surface area. So, we will first find the total surface area of bigger cardboard. Again, we will find the bigger total surface area of a smaller cardboard. 5% extra of total surface area we need to calculate, and then we will find the total cardboard, how much required for the box, and then the cost according to that rate, rupees 4 for rupees 1 for 1000 centimeter square. So, solution is to be done this way. Let us start. We have already mentioned here, we will go for total surface area of one cardboard, one bigger box. We all know the sweet packet or box will be in cuboidal shape. So, we will use formula 2 into length plus breadth, breadth into height plus length into height. We all are known to this. So, 2 length 25 into breadth 20, breadth 20, height 5, length 25 and height is 5. So, 2 25 into 2 50 and 1 0, 100, 20 into 5 and 25 into 5 125. We get here 2 into 500 plus 100 600 725. So, how much we get? 1450 centimeter square cardboard needed for one box, total surface area of one bigger box. How many boxes we are giving order? 250 boxes. So, total cardboard needed for 250 bigger boxes. Cardboard required for 250 boxes. So, 250 into 1450 will multiply 25 5s are 125, 12 remaining, 25 4s are 100 plus 12, 112, 11 remaining, 25 ones are 25, 11 36. and 2 zeros. So these bigger boxes we will make 250. We need this much cardboard in centimeter square, this we are calculating. Now question is what telling 5% extra is needed for overlapping and all, 5% of total surface area. So we will have to calculate 5% of total surface area is required for all overlaps. That means 5% of this area. So 36 lakh 3,62,500 into 5%, 5 by 100. 0 cancel, we get 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 to 12, 6 5s are 31, 3 5 3s are 15, 3 18. So when we go for buying the cardboard, this will be the exact amount of cardboard needed for 250 bigger boxes, and this much we need to buy extra. So we will buy how much? This plus this together we will buy. So that also we will have to calculate and keep. Therefore total cardboard required, total cardboard required for the bigger box, for the bigger boxes, that will be 362,500 plus 18125. We add 2 1 5 6 8 to 10 6 1 7 1 8 3. This centimeter square, this much is needed for 250 bigger boxes. Now smaller box also. So dimensions of the smaller box, dimensions of one smaller box. We have length, breadth and height 15 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Height is 5 centimeter. We will calculate then total surface area of one smaller box. We write the formula 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. 2 length 15 into 12 plus 12 into 5 plus length 15 into 5. 2 180, 15 into 12, 12 into 5 60 and 15 into 5 75. You get 2 into 240 70 315. So 600 315 into 2 630 centimeter square needed for one smaller box. How many boxes we are making? 250. Therefore cardboard needed for 250 boxes. Cardboard needed or required, we can write required for 250 boxes. So 630 into 250, we get 25 3s are 75, 7 remains, 25 6 are 150 plus 7 157 and then 10. This much needed for 250 boxes, and 5% is going extra for overlapping and all. 5% of total surface area required for all overlaps. So 5% we have to convert 5% of 1,57,500. into 5 by 100. This 2 0 cancel. So 5 5s are 25, 7 5s are 35 to 37, 3, 5 5s are 25, 3, 28, 2, 5 1s are 5 to 7. So this much required, we need to buy extra. Total cardboard required 1,15,750 and extra we have to buy this much. So actually how much we have to buy? Add this total and get centimeter square. 25 3s are 75, 25 6 are 150 plus 7 and then this 2 0. So total cardboard required for total cardboard required will be, for smaller boxes we can say, for smaller boxes will be 157,500 plus 7875. So 0 5 5 7 0 7 8 5 13 7 7 14 1 15 5 1 6 and 1. So 1,65,375 meters square cardboard needed for smaller one. Big one we need 3,80,625. So how much cardboard together we need to buy so that we can supply this order? So let's see. We will add that both for getting the total cardboard required for both types of boxes. So first one, bigger one, 3,80625 plus a smaller one, how much we calculated? 1,653.75. We will add this both. 5 5 10, 2 7 9 1 10, 6 3 9 1 10, 5 1 6, 6 8 14 and 3 1 4 1 5. So 5,46,000 centimeter square of cardboard we need to buy. And what is the cost? Cost is 1,000 centimeter square cardboard 4 rupees. So cost of 1,000 centimeter square of cardboard is rupees 4. We will find cost of 1 centimeter square cardboard, that will be 4 by 1,000, and then total how much we need to buy after getting the cost for 1 centimeter square. Therefore the cost of 5,46,000 centimeter square of cardboard will be 4 by 1,000 into 546,000. Cut these 2 zeros, 3 zeros also we can cut. 6 4s are 24, 4 4s are 16 to 18, 5 4s are 21. So we need 2,184 rupees for buying this total amount of cardboard, so that we can supply 250 boxes of each type, bigger and smaller, including 5% overlap extra. So solution is easy, only that we need to be little careful while adding or calculating or multiplying this all the numbers. Very easily you can have practice, and being careful you can do this solution very nicely. See you in next video with new solutions.